This problem asks you to graph the shape, velocity, and acceleration of the function at t equals 0, and you have a function right here. First step is to make equations for this function, x and y. So x will equal this value, which is t, and y will equal this value, which is et. But then you want to merge these two equations together, so you get y equals e to the x. And this will be the shape of your graph. Keep in mind that the shape of this graph, since it's the exponential, it will look somewhere along the lines of this. Okay, moving on. Now you want to find the velocity. And to find the velocity, you simply do the derivative of this function. So you have this. Derivative of t is 1i plus derivative of et is etj. Okay, now you do the acceleration. Acceleration is second derivative of the original function. So you get derivative of 1, which is 0i, plus derivative of et, which is etj. Okay, now, since it says graph the shape, velocity, and acceleration of the function at t equals 0, you want to plug in 0 for t. So for the velocity, plug in 0 for t, you get 1i plus e to the 0j, which is 1. Because, say if you plug that into a calculator, e to the 0, you get 1. Okay, now for the acceleration equation, plug 0 in for t, you get 0i plus e to the 0j, which, just like this, it will equal to 1. So you get, you get 0i plus 1j. All right, now you want to go back to this function and then plug 0 for t over here to get the original vector, which if you do that, you get 0i plus e to the 0j, which is 0i plus 1j. This will be the original function. Let's box these answers up. Okay, now you want to draw the graph. Okay, to graph, you want to begin by plotting the original vector. Original vector is x is 0 and y is 1, so x is 0, y is 1. This will be your original vector. Now I want to plot the velocity vector, which is 1, 1. And to do that, you base these points off of the original vector. So if I change colors, you will go x is 1, so go to the x1, and then y is 1, you do go up 1. This will be your velocity vector. Okay? Now for the acceleration, switch colors again. Same thing, base it off of the original vector. So original vector is here. Your acceleration says 1, 0, y is 1, so you move up 1. So this would be your acceleration. There you go. You have the velocity, you have the acceleration, and you have original vector, then you have the graphed shape.